I just had to let you know you're
A polygraph machine, also known as a lie detector, is a device that measures and records several psychological indicators such as blood pressure, pulse, respiration, and skin conductivity while a person is asked and answers a series of questions. So the following are the main parts and function of the polygraph machine. So for the parts and function of polygraph machine, the first one is the removable cover. It protects the internal components of the polygraph machine from dust, damage, and interference when not in use or during transport. The control panel. The central interface for operating the machine. It includes knob, buttons, dial, and gauge that allows the examiner to adjust settings, start or stop the test, calibrate sensor, and monitor real-time psychological readings. Accessory compartment cover encloses a storage space for holding small accessories, keeping them organized and protect when not in use. Handle facilitates easy carrying and transportation of the polygraph machine. The wrist cuff assembly, typically used to measure blood pressure and pulse rate. It is wrapped around the wrist and connected to the machine to detect changes in cardiovascular activity. The arm cuff assembly, an alternative or additional cuff for measuring blood pressure and pulse, often wrapped around the upper arm. It works with the hand pump to inflate and deflate, capturing pressure changes that reflects psychological response. Finger electrodes assembly, attached on the finger to measure electrodermal activity or EDA, which reflects changes in the skin conductivity caused by sweat gland activity, an indicator of emotional or psychological arousal. Nomograph's chest tube assembly, placed on the chest to measure respiration. It consists of hollow tubes that expand and contract within each breath, detecting changes in breathing rate and depth. Hand pump valve assembly, used to inflate the arm or wrist cuff. Squeezing the valve increase the pressure in the cuff, allowing the machine to measure blood pressure and pulse. Hand pump relief valve controls the release of air from the inflated cuffs, enabling the examiner to adjust pressure levels or deflate the cuff after measurements. Pinch clamp, used to secure tubes or cables, preventing air leaks or disconnection that could affect the accuracy of readings. The pin box stores the pins used to record psychological data on the chart rule, a roll of paper on which the polygraph machine records real-time psychological measurements as graphical traces. Electrode jelly, applied to the skin where the electrodes are attached to improve electric conductivity, ensuring accurate detection of electrodermal activity. The ink bottle. It holds ink for the pens that write on the chart roll. Ink well filler, used to fill the ink wells of the pen with ink from the ink bottle. Pen starter, helps initiate the flow of the ink from the pens to ensure clear, consistent recording on the chart roll. The power cable. It connects the polygraph machine to a power source to supply electricity for operation. So that would be all. I am Riley P. Agodolo, BS Cream 3 Alpha.